Tired of IT tickets piling up and slow response times? Let's build a powerful service desk in Jira Service Management to revolutionize how your team handles requests, incidents, and problems. First, log into your Jira instance and select Create Project from the home screen. In the project template selection, choose Service Management. This sets the foundation for our service desk. Give your project a name, such as IT Support Desk or Help Desk, and select the key appropriately. Press the Create Project button to proceed. Now, let's configure the request types. They define the service requests your customers will submit. Go to Project Settings and then Request Types. Click on Create Request Type. Name the new request type, for example, Report a Problem, Request Hardware, or Ask a Question. You can also enter a short description to help users identify the correct request. Repeat this process for all desired request types. Make sure your new request types are enabled and assign the right categories. Adjust the layout so it fits your company needs, ensuring the layout is customer-friendly. Next, let's significantly boost efficiency. Automation rules are your best friend. Go to Project Settings and then Automation. Create a new rule to get started. Automation allows you to automatically route tickets based on category, notify relevant teams, and escalate critical issues. Within the Automation Builder, build a rule to send an email notification to the assigned IT team when a new incident request is created. Another rule can be built to add a comment to the ticket when its status is updated. Automation rules save you time and energy. That's it. Your service desk is now configured to help your team resolve issues quicker. By utilizing Jira Service Management, you've just set up a robust service desk for your team. For more advanced features and configurations, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.